Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In the kitchen today we're making some delicious tasty fried chicken. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now I'm using a whole chicken that I've cut into different sections. Now I will leave a list of all the seasoning that I use in the description box. I'm gonna cut half of a medium onion, and I'm also gonna add about 3 cloves of garlic. Now you just want to use something heavy and just beat your garlic slightly. Now once I've added all of this, I'm just going to give it a good mix. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little bit of egg powder just to give the chicken a nice golden color. Once I've done this, I'm just gonna rub it all together. You see the color change in this, guys? I love when my fried chicken has this beautiful color. Now once I've done this, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, and I left this in the fridge to marinate overnight. But you can leave it at least up to a couple of hours. Now when you're ready to fry your chicken, make sure you take it out of the fridge and leave it for about half an hour before frying. Now I will leave what I use for the flour in the description box. When you're about to flour your chicken, make sure you remove all the bits, any bits that's stuck into it, like the onions or the garlic, because you don't want to fry those because they will end up getting bitter. Now I like to put my flour in a bag because I find it less messy and it's easier for me. So once I put the chicken in, I'm just going to use my hand and just press the flour onto the chicken. Now give it a good shake before you actually start frying. Now as I'm using different parts of the chicken, I fried the wings for about 10 minutes, I fried the thigh and the leg for about 13 to 14 minutes, and I left the breast just a little bit longer because it's a little bit thicker. Now look at this chicken, just beautiful. Now tell me, who doesn't love fried chicken? Well, I know in my kitchen we love a fried chicken, especially the wing. Lord have mercy. Now when your chicken's finished frying, I like to put mine on a rack so it's not sitting in the oil. And there you have it, guys, my fried chicken is ready. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you very much for returning. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for your girl. And if you're still here, leave me a fried chicken emoji. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen, where I share loads more pictures and recipes. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit, but only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.